Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready Set Drone, and today I have my favorite little tiny flyer for FPV. It is the Emax Tinyhawk S. It is just an awesome little drone. It's taken a beating from me because I'm trying to learn how to fly it in acro, which is not very easy, but having a great time with it, so stay tuned and we'll check it out. So the Emax Tinyhawk S is the follow-on to the Emax Tinyhawk, which has been out for a while. This one is fairly new. It's black instead of white. It's got a little bit of a different design, and I just think the thing is super gorgeous looking. It's just got super sleek, very modern look to it with these downward pushing props that are caged only on the top. The battery has rubber bands that holds it in place. You can fly it with a 1S or a 2S battery, and a 2S battery in this thing is kind of insane for how light it is. I've been flying strictly 1S. If you are going to fly in 2S, you need to go in and do some things in beta flight to set it up properly, and there's instructions on that, other videos about that. I might even make a video about it, but right now I'm just flying in 1S. It's a bind and fly, and it works with FrSky radios, so if you've got a Taranis or some other bind and fly radio from FrSky, you are set. I'll do a separate video on unboxing, setup, bind, all that good stuff. But today I just wanted to take it out and fly it a little bit and thought I'd make a video about that because I have been having so much fun with it. If you want a drone an FPV tiny whoop style drone for indoor and outdoor flying that is better than just a toy one off the shelf, this one is a great choice because you can fly it with a real radio, an FrSky, Taranis, or other real radio as opposed to a toy radio, and also it's brushless, and so it's got a lot of versatility. You can fly it with 2S, you can tweak it in beta flight. There's a lot of things that this thing does that toy FPV racers can't do. So let's just put on the Fat Sharks and take it around for a couple laps around the backyard. I'm kind of flying in a combination of stabilized and acro because I'm not very good at acro, and so I'm switching back and forth between the two as necessary. And you can see it's disarmed. There's stabilized, horizon, and air mode. So I'll go ahead and put it in stabilized to take off, arm it, and up we go. So as you could probably see, this guy took a beating. I'm really practicing flying in acro mode, and it's going okay. I just can't quite get the flip down. I tend to give it a lot of throttle as it's upside down instead of the opposite, which is what you're supposed to do. Anyway, the Emax Tinyhawk S, like I said, it's just a ton of fun. It's been my go-to FPV flyer, and I really look forward to mastering it in rate mode or acro mode. It's lots of fun in horizon or stabilized mode as well, though. So if you're just starting out and you want to get into a more serious FPV tiny whoop, this is a great little choice. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please be sure to subscribe to Ready Set Drone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.